Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT. Remember, it's free version. Just insert prompt to ChatGPT to create a Visual Basic code to make your presentation. Then copy paste the code to PowerPoint and run it. Directly it creates your PowerPoint presentation. Then upload it to PowerPoint web version and apply the designers automatically. Then you have your PowerPoint presentation in minutes. Before we start, if you get any benefit from this video, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe.
Let's get started. Just search for ChatGPT. Open this link. Now you see I am not logging even. It is totally free version. Just insert the prompt. Now I write this prompt. Most important thing, don't have to you have a very good prompt. You see my prompt, there is many errors, but ChatGPT understands and rectify it. Just send the prompt. Now it guides you what to do in PowerPoint. It guides me to use Alt and F11, insert module, paste the code and F5. Now let me copy the code. I copied. Go to PowerPoint, then Alt F11. Then from insert module, paste the code, Ctrl V. Then just run it. Run. Football presentation created successfully. Okay. Close this one. I delete this slide. Now that's my presentation. You can change, edit it. You can add more information. It's up to you. Now from File, Save As, from Browse, from Desktop, I save it as PowerPoint presentation. Save. Yes. Now I am in Google. Just search for office.com. Enter. Open PowerPoint. Now just from upload. From desktop, search your PowerPoint slides. Select it, open. Uploading in progress. We have to wait. It's uploading. Now click this, reload this page. Okay. Again, try to upload a file. Desktop, this is my file. Select it. I selected it and open. Yes. Here also you can edit your presentation. It's up to yourself. Select first slide. From design, here you have different designs. You can select it. For example, I selected this one. Okay. Or Ctrl Z. I don't any design here. Here we have AI designers. It's most powerful designer here. Click this one. You see for first page designer. Okay. Here I have for first page different designers. Which one you want? For example, I selected this one. Directly it selects the design. For second page, introduction, again from designer, you have different options to select it for second page. For example, I selected this one. For the third page, basic rollers, you can select it. For example, I agree with this one or this one. Okay, that's the way to create your PowerPoint presentation in minutes. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.